Yo, what is up, guys? My name's Inabishin, and today I'm gonna be coming out, and I just want to say that I'm diagonal. Yeah, three. Cut the clip. Yo, it's three, and today, yeah, that's that came from Innovation, and yeah, he just exposed himself that he's not straight. He's diagonal. I mean, if you want even more evidence, here's a DM with me and Innovation together, just saying, basically me joking around, like saying, fuck Aries clan and stuff because, there's recently just been one dude who's saying fuck Aries clan after the fact that he just asked to join the freaking clan, and yeah, I decided to joke around it, and then eventually it went into this. Boom! Aries clan gay exposed. Okay, Inabishin exposed. He's gay. He's not. He's diagonal, and yeah, I just exposed him. Boom! I mean, I left out the part where he said don't expose me, and yeah, guess what? I'm exposing you. I don't give a crap, and yeah, we now know that the entirety of Aries clan is apparently gay. And for you Aries members, I have so many questions from you guys. I mean, what do you guys do in Aries clan anyways? Like, do you guys just 1v1, or are you guys hitting up on each other, if you know what I mean? Or yeah, those are some of the questions that I would like to ask. And how does it feel to be gay? Just one of those, another question. And yeah, so yeah, he not only did he just expose himself, he also exposed the entire Aries clan for you know being homo. So yeah, you know, in addition, I just saved you guys time for I don't know, saying that, for making your coming out gay videos. I've just saved you time to do that, so you guys can make your quality COD 1v1 footage and crap. So so yeah, yeah, essentially this is 100% with evidence right here. And yeah, boom, boom, Aries clan exposed to being gay. A question you probably ask: are those things real? Is the DMs real? Yes, they are real. Ask Inabishin himself, the leader of Aries clan. Also, is the voice line real? Ask Inagae. So yeah, make sure to I don't know, if you're part of the Aries clan, make sure to I don't know, spread the word and say that you guys are gay. And yeah, I mean, you guys should be proud of that. I mean, you guys. I mean, homosexuality is basically accepted in 2018. No one's gonna give a shit. So yeah, good for you guys. And honestly, I'm proud. I'm proud. I can't believe how brave Inhibition is to confirming it and just exposing himself. He came out, and I can't believe how brave that was. A brave move for him. Honestly, much respect.